Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to update iOS on your iPhone or iPad. So, the first thing you want to do is head into the settings. Now you're in the settings, you want to scroll down slightly and tab into General. Now we're in General, we want to tab onto the software update, the second on the list, just below About. Now here it'll check for updates, and as you can see, update is available to iOS 17.0.3, and you can either select update now or update tonight, and when your phone goes into standby mode at night, it will automatically update your iPhone. A good thing to have on is automatic updates, as you can see here at the top. So let's update our iPhone. We'll just select update now. You'll need to enter your passcode and also agree to all the terms that are available, and then the phone will start to update. So that is how to update iOS on your iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.